Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. We're from SMK Saujana Utama Class 3 Bestari. Our team name is Ayam, Masak, Merah and we'll be showcasing our product. However, before we get started, allow me to introduce me and my teammates. My name is Muhammad and I will be the presenter. Our prototype creator is Hadif Irshad. Our modular designer and video editor is Nur Alisha Natasha. Our slide maker is Mia Maisara and our scriptwriter is Sufi Aiman. Without further ado, let's start. Our product is a trellis, and the definition of it is a frame of latticework used as a screen or as a support for climbing plants. We're going for the trellis mainly for its strategic use as it can contribute with the 5R practice. The trellis can help with the 5R practice following with recycle, reuse, and reduce. We can recycle pipes, more specifically the PVC pipe. The plastic, being called polyvinyl chloride, has a high density which is more than suitable as the main structure for the trellis. One more thing we can recycle is food waste. It can be composted into nourishment for the soil. We can also reuse PVC pipes that are left unutilized. The PVC pipes, as the aforementioned plastic, has higher density compared to other plastics. It's also incredibly hard and strong. It can be corroded alongside preventing fungi and mold from growing on it. Another item we can reuse is a fencing wire. The fencing wire will act as a support while resisting weathering from the elements. At the same time, we also have to think about reducing the cost and quality of the materials. For starters, using a 60 gauge high tensile fence wire will be great for a trellis, but we can reduce the cost and go for a simpler wire, like a gardening wire. If you don't have the materials at home for the trellis, these are some of its prices. First of all, the PVC pipe. Preferably, a 14-inch one will cost at 42 ringgit. The screws will cost at 3 ringgit. The pipe fittings will be at 15 ringgit, and lastly, the gardening wire will be at 6 ringgit. The total for all of these will be around 66 ringgit. In my opinion, this product is simply very nice to have. It does not only keep your crops off the ground, but increase usable space as well as yield. It prevents the fruits from rotting. Some examples of crops that benefit from the trellis are tomatoes, peas, melons, cucumbers, and pumpkins. However, you also need to consider where you want the trellis to be located. In some cases, it can actually block the sun from reaching it. To maximize the sunlight, it should be put next to a fence or a wall. We've already thought of an area that would be suitable for the trellis, that being at Laman STEM dan Technology Hijau. It should be placed beside the classrooms. This marks the end of our short video. I hope you take it with mindful consideration and high regard. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.